How avocado enhances your sexual health. Avocados have earned a reputation as a superfood given the wealth of nutrients they contain. When it comes to sexual health, avocados in particular may pack a punch. As rich sources of heart-healthy fats and phytonutrients, they help promote robust circulation and nerve function. Two key components for a satisfying sex life. Some research also indicates the monounsaturated fats in avocado can help support testosterone and estrogen levels when eaten as part of a balanced diet. Beyond specific benefits in the sexual domain, the nutrients in avocado more broadly support energy levels and stamina. Here are the 7 sexually benefits of avocado. But before that, like and subscribe for daily uploads like this, and stick around because I will show you 5 powerful recipes. 1. Acts as a natural aphrodisiac. The aphrodisiac stuff about avocados ain't news. Way back when, the Aztecs were all about the Avo as a bedroom kickstarter. Research backing that up's kind of flimsy, but with all them antioxidants, seems they could up pleasure, want, and attraction between partners. 2. Increase stamina. Avocados can help boost your stamina in some key ways. For one, they pack an energy punch, the good kind of carbs and fats that provide lasting fuel. I find that when I eat avocado before any bedroom athletics, I've got more pep in my step, if you know what I mean. The magnesium and B6 are clutch too. Those nutrients relax muscles all over, including down there, so you can take your time without getting too excited too fast. I used to struggle with that when I was younger. Now, if I've had my share of avocado, I've got much better ejaculation control and can go longer into the night. And so if you or your partner want to increase endurance or just have more satisfying intimacy, definitely incorporate some avocado into your day. 3. Reduces the risk of erectile dysfunction. Eating avocados may help lower the risk of erectile dysfunction in men. These green fruits are loaded with magnesium and potassium, nutrients that can relax blood vessels, and this effect allows blood to flow more freely throughout the body. Better circulation can then make it less likely for a man to have issues getting or maintaining an erection during intimate moments. So by adding avocados to your diet, you could be doing your sexual health a favor. Just one serving delivers a decent dose of important minerals. 4. Improved fertility. Avocados have lots of antioxidants like vitamin C and E, and some other phenolic compounds too. They also contain decent amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. This can help dial down inflammation levels in your body. For women especially, having less inflammation sets up better conditions for getting pregnant more easily. And for guys, studies show that foods with more vitamin E like avocados can give your sperm a boost in terms of quality and mobility. 5. Hormone regulation. A proper balance of hormones is key for having a good sex life. Sex hormones are created using fats in the body. Avocados have healthy types of fat that help produce these hormones. They also contain compounds called plant sterols that can block some effects of estrogen, and this helps get the right equilibrium between estrogen and progesterone. So eating avocados can benefit women with high estrogen amounts. 6. Decreases premenstrual symptoms. Recent studies indicate vitamin B6 may help reduce premenstrual symptoms like bloating, tiredness, and moodiness that lots of women struggle with monthly. Makes sense why more ladies been eating up avocados, since that green goddess packs a punch of B6. When you're not all crampy and cranky come Shark Week, getting frisky with your fella probably moves up the to-do list. Can't blame folks for letting Avocado take the edge off PMS. Still, chat with your doc about doses and such. But seems B6 and avocados help ladies feel more human when hormones go haywire. 7. Reduces stress levels. Eating avocados can help lower stress, which is good news if you struggle with erection issues sometimes. Feeling more relaxed seems to make it easier for some folks to get in the mood for intimacy, and magnesium is one nutrient in avocados that may be able to bring down high stress. When we're overloaded with stress, it can definitely cause problems in the bedroom. So trying some magnesium-rich foods like avocados could maybe help with that. I'm no scientist, but it seems plausible that avocados could help reduce stress and potentially improve your love life if stress is something holding you back. 5 recipes to get avocados in your diet. 1. Avocado brownies. If you want something sweet but not totally unhealthy, avocado brownies could be just the thing. They sound weird, but trust me, they're delicious. Here's what you need: eggs, coconut sugar, almond butter, avocado, cocoa powder, salt, vanilla, baking soda. These brownies are anti-inflammatory, so pretty healthy, with low carbs and lots of fiber. But they definitely don't taste healthy thanks to the avocados, making them super rich and fudgy. I like to sprinkle a tiny bit of sea salt on top once they cool for a little crunch. They're easy to throw together too. Just mix everything in a bowl, pour in a pan, and bake, and don't overbake them though, or they'll be dry. Take them out when the middle still jiggles a bit. Let me know if you try them. Once you make them once, I bet you'll be making them all the time. 2. Avocado pasta. Here's what you'll need to whip up this yummy avocado pasta sauce: avocados, garlic, spinach, green chili, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. Just throw it all in your blender and puree until smooth and velvety. If it's too thick for you, splash in some water to thin it out. I'm getting hungry just thinking about this sauce tossed with some hot pasta. Avocados do double duty. They make the sauce rich and luscious, but they're also good for you. Win-win. Whip up a batch next time the pasta craving hits. Your belly will thank you. 3. Lemon, blueberry, and avocado smoothie. For an extra antioxidant boost, try mixing avocados with blueberries. The best way to do so is to make a delicious creamy smoothie. Place in a blender lemon, almond milk, blueberries, avocados, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and chia seeds. 4. Avocado eggs. You've likely whipped up some avocado toast for breakfast before, but did you know there's more you can make with avocados besides throwing them on toast? Grab an avocado, slice it open, crack an egg inside, and pop it in the air fryer. I'm telling you, when that egg comes out all perfect and the avocado is warm and softened with the flavors mingling, it'll be one of the tastiest things you've ever eaten. You got to try this easy avocado egg recipe. It's so delish and will definitely become a regular in your morning rotation. 5. Chocolate avocado pudding. Here's another tasty treat to get you in the mood: chocolate avocado pudding. You'll need some ripe avocados, cacao powder, almond milk, maple syrup for sweetness, and vanilla. Just blend it all up in the food processor into a luscious, creamy dessert. The avocado gives it such a silky texture. Drizzle on some chocolate sauce if you want to really impress, and it's so rich and indulgent, but also good for you at the same time with those healthy fats from the avocado. Definitely one to put on your menu for a special night. People wonder if avocados can help boost testosterone. Research shows the healthy fats, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6 may support hormone levels. But more studies still needed to know for sure. Eating avocado before sex. Take it easy. The rich food could lead to an overly full feeling or cramps if you overdo it. Best to add just a moderate amount or wait a couple hours if planning intimate times and don't want to feel too stuffed and uncomfortable. Avocados can help with more than just guacamole. Those green fruits are chock full of good stuff like antioxidants and nutrients like magnesium and potassium. They even have fiber, vitamin C, and K2. Avocados rock. They're so good for you and can really improve your sex life too. People don't talk about that benefit much. But the healthy fats and other nutrients make avocados great for fertility, stamina, libido, all the fun stuff. You can eat them whole, eat the seed, eat the leaves. So many options. No matter how you eat them, avocados reduce inflammation and help your heart and digestion. Nice little side benefits. And the main event is the bedroom, though. The nutrients get your blood pumping in all the right places, if you know what I mean. So if you want to spice up your sex life, eat more avocados. Let's dig deeper into exactly how they boost your mojo. There's science behind this, people. Avocados can take your sex life up a notch or two. Seems like they may be able to give your health a boost in some key areas. And now I'm not no scientist, but some studies show avocados might improve endurance, fertility issues, and lessen things like stress, PMS, and erectile dysfunction in men. More research still needed though. Luckily, there's all kinds of tasty ways to eat avocados. Throw some in a smoothie, make chocolate avocado brownies, whip up a pasta sauce, or even avocado pudding. So don't be afraid to get creative with it. Those avocados can do more than guac. Those can do more